Hey, what is this? Today I received the delivery from Start Fitness. Let's open it. It's gonna be fun. How cool is that? There is some paperwork. Important information in regarding pedal installation. So please ensure you install pedals correctly. The pedals are specific to the left and right. Start Fitness are not responsible for fitting of the pedal, and we strongly recommend having them fitted by a professional. Whoa, Silverado saddle. It's not look bad. Look pretty nice. I'm a bit paranoid, so I'm gonna do some measurement. Make sure this is the right frame for me. These ones look like 15? Weird. I thought a small one should be supposed to be 16-inch. So I can put a longer saddle. I mean the drummer post, which potentially, let me measure a rough number here. So it's like 9-inch minus 1.5 inch for the for the important part. Let's say that. So I would have 7.5 inch, which basically I can put a 150 or even 175 drummer post on this frame. I want to reuse this cable tie, the zip tie, because I might be able to make some money. The Ambush is like a fashion brand. They make like a what is called a lace or whatever they call it, wristband maybe. So it's look like a zip tie made from brass, and they sell it for £385. How ridiculous is that? So I might be able to make some money. Okay, two nice zip tie. So this is like the cheap version of RockShox. It's a RockShox Recon. Although they make it into 140 millimeter version. Oh dear, this one is actually the bolt through axle. So this one is 148. It's a boost version. I need this guy to be a bit future proof. I mean, Joey's friends. So we got a Victoria Master for the wheel. Okay, that's not too shabby. It's like a new Shimano design for the rotor. I seen this design on the website. So here we are, the crank butter. My first time with crank butter. Look awesome, isn't it? Wow, looks sick. Man, I love it already. I didn't have a background with it. It feels okay. Okay, what is this box? What is gonna be? Pedal from core? Yeah. So some pedal. It doesn't look bad. We will move on to the living room where it is effectively my man cave. So I'm gonna do some adjustment. So I remove the reflector. Okay, if you can see, that's things that I always complain about, which is the brake position. They always put the brake in the way that is not intended for one finger. It's like they put it for two finger, which is I don't think it's the right way to do it. Okay, so I finished with the unboxing process for my new bike. So the next thing I will do is to put on the helicopter tape. Just make sure that the paint is protected. That would be it. Later on, we will have the bike full review, but maybe not much of riding yet because my GoPro 9 is not delivered. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the unboxing and I see you next time on the trail.